Today we're here to talk about how you put on the Breg Polar Wave pads. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the application process for the body part that you need to use the wave pads on. So let's jump right into it and learn how to use these pads. So when you get your pad in the mail, either in the box with your cooler or by itself, there's a couple things you need to do. You want to check on the front part of the pad, on the pad bag, and make sure you got the right pad. This one is for your knee, and the part number is C00017. So on the front of the bag, this is for the large knee, and the part number is C00003. And this is for the large knee. Now we're going to show you how to put on this pad. Just a quick reminder, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us and help us create content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
This is the knee pad for the Breg Polar Wave system. This one is the standard size. There is also a large size. So if you are 27 inches or more circumference around your thigh, you would want to get the large knee pad. So we're going to take it and place it on the knee area.
So how would I measure for that large knee pad, if I was curious?
You're going to measure 6 inches above your kneecap. So measure up 6 inches, go around and measure the circumference. And the magic number is 27. 27 or more, get the large. Below 27, get the standard.
So you just take the straps and just bring them around.
Notice that one's going to go around your thigh and one's going to go just below the knee area. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take your hose and connect it to the hose on the pad. Now, you'll notice on Breg hoses, they have symbols. You need to match up these symbols to make sure you're connecting it properly. Once you've done that, you'll hear that click. That means it's secure. Then you're ready to plug in your system and begin your therapy.
Now that you know how to put on your Breg Polar Wave pads, click on our next video up here in the corner, and it's going to show you the unboxing of the Breg Polar Wave. Now let's get back in motion.